guys, welcome. My name is Isaiah. Of course, you already know that because you see it to my channel and my father's name. So yes, say.
Yeah. So today, what are we going to talk about?
Light.
We're going to talk about light. Okay. Can then explain light. What is light?
Light is something that allowed us to see something.
How many type of lights? How many type of lights do we have?
Two.
Name them.
Intelligence light.
Yes.
And natural light.
Yes. What is natural light?
It is very hot and starts with an S and ends with an N, and the middle one is U, so it's the sun.
The sun. And what is intelligent light or artificial light?
It is the light you already see up there.
Good. The light that's in our house and in the train and in everywhere. Very good. So how fast does the light travel?
100, 208 and 200 miles per hour.
Wow. So is the light the fastest thing on earth or not?
It is.
It is. Okay, very good.
Nothing can get faster than light. But there's only one thing that is faster than light, but it's not on Earth.
Oh.
And I don't really know the name.
You don't know the name. You are funny. Okay, that is nice. Oh, you did well. Okay.
So you already did the video for 2 minutes and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I'm just going to say 12 seconds.
Okay.
But now it's past.
Yeah. Okay, so see you in the next video, yeah?
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.